Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I want to buy a shirt.
Great. What size do you wear?
I think medium.
What color do you like?
This one. I like white. How much is it?
It's $100.
That's a bit expensive. Can I get a discount?
Today we have a 10% discount.
Oh, nice.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes. Where is the changing room?
It's over there. How was the shirt?
It looks nice. But is there another model?
Yes, we have a sleeveless one too. It's a new model.
Is it a standard size?
Yes, it suits you well too.
What is it made of?
It's 100% cotton.
That's good. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Great. I'll take this one.
Perfect. I'll pack it for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Okay, the shirt is $100. And you said 15% discount, right?
Yes,
So the final price is $75. Great. I'll pay by card.
tap or insert your card, please.
Done.
Thank you. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here is your receipt. Here is your shirt and your bag.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.